Hello, I'm Jacob Leese with the National Association for Gun Rights. Recently, we asked our Facebook supporters if they had any legal questions regarding their gun rights. We received hundreds of great questions, and we're going to answer a few of them right now. First, Josiah wants to know, can I carry a firearm in the semi with me for my own protection through all 48 states without getting in trouble for it? DOT in Wisconsin said they don't care as long as I tell the officer it's in my rig, but other states had told me that it's against the law to carry in a commercial motor vehicle, period. Which one is true? Well, Josiah, you'll be relieved to know that there is no federal law or regulation prohibiting you from carrying a firearm for protection in a commercial vehicle. You do, however, need to follow each state's laws for how the gun is carried. For instance, in some states, you're required to conceal your gun, while in others, concealing the gun is against the law. Also, your employer has the right to prohibit guns on their private property, which could be your truck if you are not an owner-operator. Whether you're a commercial driver driving your own rig or just a family on a road trip, it's always best to research the gun laws in the states you'll be traveling through. You can check out our website for a link to state gun laws at nationalgunrights.org. Next, Wendy sent us a link to an internet page claiming that the federal government will be setting a minimum age of 21 for hunting, and she asked, is this legit? Fortunately, Wendy, there is no truth to that rumor, but you can be certain that if there was, we would be notifying our members and supporters and mobilizing a grassroots campaign against it. It's a great reason to like us on Facebook and subscribe to our email alerts. And our last question comes from Earl. He writes, when I was at the doctor last week, the paperwork they made me fill out asked if I owned a gun. Do I need to answer that? I don't see how it's any of the doctor's business. Well, Earl, you're right. It isn't any of your doctor's business. You do not need to tell the doctor or anyone else whether or not you own a firearm. You can just leave that question blank. If you refuse to answer, it is possible the doctor might fire you as a patient, but on the other hand, maybe you would be better off to fire that doctor and find one who doesn't have a gun-grabbing political agenda. Thank you so much for all of your excellent questions and feedback. If you have any other questions or concerns about your gun rights or just want a chance to join in the conversation, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.